we have definite integral from 0 to 2 of continuous function because 1 plus 3x cubed is continuous, x squared is continuous, so we have continuous function here. To solve this definite integral, we have to solve indefinite integral of x squared times 1 plus 3x cubed to 5th power. Let me rewrite this. We have integral from 0 to 2 of x squared times 1 plus 3x cubed to 5th power dx. To solve this integral, I will use substitution method. Let's put 1 plus 3x cubed equals u. Now we have to find derivative of both sides of our equation with respect to u. So it will be derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of 3x cubed is 9x squared. This is equal du to dx. Next, I will multiply both sides by dx to reduce denominator, because when you do u substitution, we need to find du. So we have 9x squared dx is equal du. In this expression, we have x squared dx and 1 plus 3x cubed. We just put equals u. So it will be u to 5th power x squared dx. We don't have 9. And because we have multiplication here, I will divide both sides by 9. So now 9 and 9 we can reduce, and we have that x squared dx is equal 1 over 9 du. Next step, because we have definite integral, we have to find how much equals u for x equals 0. We will have u is equal 1 plus 3, and we just substitute x by 0, so it will be times 0 to 3rd power. This is equal 1. And next we have to take x equals 2, and u is equal 1 plus 3 times 2 to 3rd power. This is equal 1 plus 3 times 8 is 24, so it will be 25. Now we will rewrite our definite integral from 0 to 2 to 1 to 25. And for 1 plus 3x cubed, we have to put u, will be to 5th power, and x squared dx is equal 1 over 9, we can put in parentheses, du. This is equal. First, I will take constant before integral symbol, so we have 1 over 9 integral from 1 to 25 of u to power 5th with respect to u. This is equal. We have to copy constant, and now we will use integral of power function formula. So we have 1 over 9 times u to power 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1. Denominator is the same like exponent. And because we have definite integral, now we have to put vertical bar. On the top we have upper limit 25, and on the bottom we have 1. This is equal. First we can simplify. It will be 1 over 9 we have, and the denominator is 5 plus 1 is 6. We have multiplication here. So 9 times 6 is 54. So we have 1 over 54. And we have u to power 6. And we have limits from 1 to 25. This is equal. Now we have to plug first upper limit. It means we have to replace u by 25. 1 over 54 we have to copy. We can open brackets, and first we plug upper limit. So we have 25 2 power 6 minus, and we have to subtract lower limits, so now we have to plug 1 instead of u. So we have 1 to power 6, close the brackets, this is equal 1 over 54, and in brackets we will copy 25 to 6 power minus 1 to 6 power is still 1. This is my solution. If you want, you can always use calculator and calculate this value.